G'day guys and welcome to the Social Hardware YouTube channel. My name is Shaun and I started this channel as a way of giving back to the community who taught me so much. Now I make tech-based videos focusing on four main things: consumer electronics, PC hardware, peripherals, and gaming. Now for me growing up, it was always about making the dollar stretch as far as possible and trying to focus more on the features and the value than focusing on the brand name. So you can always trust that everything that I say about a product is going to be unbiased and not persuaded by the brand name or anything like that, and that's absolutely what I believe. Now I started my career in IT working in small little computer shops, building and fixing computers and offering support, and without YouTube and forums and all that kind of stuff that you find online nowadays, I definitely wouldn't be in the position that I am now. So as I said before, making YouTube content is a way for me to give back to you guys, the community who helped me, and it might just inspire someone who was like me to maybe get into IT or maybe start making YouTube videos themselves. YouTube was something that I always wanted to, get into, and I've been consuming YouTube media for such a long time now that I almost consider YouTube my little, digital home. But because of, dealing with my own problems, my own anxiety and depression, I always found that, getting in front of a camera was just way too daunting of a challenge to sort of take on. But since I started this channel, it's been 3 years now, I can definitely say that I'm in a much better place mentally. And if it wasn't for, the support of my wonderful girlfriend, Alexandra, who helps out with me behind the camera, helps me mentally and challenges me better to be better every single day, I definitely don't think we would be here this far down the road. And I also don't want to leave out any of the people on the community who have supported me, liked the videos and said, thank you, this video has helped me, because that has definitely kept me going. So thank you so much. So if you've made it this far in the video, then thank you for stopping by and learning a bit more about me and the Social Hardware channel. I would encourage you to subscribe to help this channel grow, and you will also get great tech videos in your inbox at least once a week. I also live stream once a week on YouTube as well to help answer any questions, or if you just want to come and chat and hang out with me, you can definitely do that. All of my social media is down below in the description, as well as my Discord server. If you want to come over there and chat with other like-minded people, that's definitely a great place to do that. So thanks once again and welcome to the channel. Cheers.